Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of the Pisscutter Olympics. It's Thanksgiving, so we have a special family themed one. There's the family. So what we're gonna do, guys, is a simple S race. We're gonna head down the track, around the escape, back up here, around the 4-500 to the finish line. We'll all be using the Minty Taurus.
Oh, yeah. Minty!
And so it's gonna be me versus my brother-in-law versus my nephew. He just turned 16. He's got to learn how to drive. What a place to learn that. So what we're going to do is timed events. Fastest guy wins. Let's get to it. All right, we're in the car. Uncle Jeff. On your mark.
The horn doesn't work.
No, on your mark. Get set. Go. Oh, we got some speed. Oh, we got... Oh. Slow on the brakes. Well, that's a nice corner actually. That's nice. We got a ringer here. Oh, down the frame straight. Got a little bit of bog happening. Kicks it down. Okay. Sharp left here. Oh, nice. Oh, we're going wide. We're going wide. That's okay. We got it. We got it. Down this front straight away. Oh, nice. Very nice.
Excellent. That was fun.
How do you think you did?
32 seconds.
Oh, I think it was faster than that, but we'll see. All right, who's up next, Tyler?
Who's up next, Tyler?
Yeah. All right, round two. We got Tyler, new driver.
Hello.
He's aggressive. I think we're gonna go off the course, but I think it's gonna be fast and exciting. Let's do it. Are you ready?
Yep.
Oh, drive.
There we go.
1, 2, 3, go. Oh, right to the floor, right off the back. Nice. Got some speed now. Oh, nice. Oh, we're sliding.
Oh.
We're all right. We're all right. We got some speed though. Okay, go, go, go. Yeah. Listen. Okay, slow down. Turn. Slow down a bit more. Yeah. Forward, forward. Nice corner. Oh, oh, power ball. Got her. Nice. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Nice driving. All right, guys. I'm in the car.
Where's Mace? Oh, Mace is in
I better win because I'm supposed to be the seasoned veteran here, but we'll see. Tyler's time was pretty good. He was very smooth. I'm gonna try some just regular D action, not D overdrive. See what happens. You ready? All right. 1, 2, 3, go! That's power ball. We're going. That's the speed in the corner. Nice. Oh, we're sliding. Oh, I messed up. I think I just fried the transmission. We got a special guest, Brian.
What do we got here?
He's the ringer.
Control?
Eh?
No traction control?
No, I just left it off. I threw it in regular D, keep it out of the overdrive.
Yeah.
But I think I literally cooked the tranny on my run. It was flaring pretty bad.
Yeah, it did sound good.
So we'll let Brian finish her off. Are you ready?
Fire!
Here we go.
I think you guys are just kind of, whenever you go, he's doing
Oh no! Oh, we're going wide, but it's okay. Oh. Got some speed now. Oh, nice. Oh, that was a nice corner. That's some speed. Good run. Yeah.
Last place, Tyler.
What?
Yeah.
Tyler's last place?
Yeah.
Okay.
Third place, Uncle Jeff.
Yeah.
Second place,
Yeah.
Dad. First place,
What?
Brian.
He
Right
won?
on.
Yeah. By 10 milliseconds.
Wow.
turn kind of fast. Cuts kind of sharp, he goes wide. Here he comes, the Minty Taurus. Oh, nice taking a wide. Here he comes. Coming down the side, is he gonna make it? Oh, short of the turn, went wide. Oh, what a disaster. Oh, he still made it. Oh, lap number 2. Now just got to keep track of how many laps. Oh, catching him up on the backside. Wide in the turn. They both go wide in the turn. Here they come. Down the backside. Are they going to make the break? Oh, last time he was a little long. Oh, here he cuts good. Turns for first. Goes wide again. Oh, here he comes. Oh, going to take him on the inside. Oh, going way on the far side. Gonna take him on the inside lap. Here he comes. Oh, cuts him on the side. Keeps him to the outside. Super wide. Oh, he's getting turned around. Oh, little bit of rubbing. Here he comes. He's gonna try and take him on the inside. Goes around the vehicle. Oh, and he takes him on the inside. Woo! Oh, this one's just a coast, boys and girls, I believe. The orange helmet reigns supreme once again. Tyler's making up for it. He's gonna come in hard. There goes Buddy the dog. Oh, another short turn. Here he comes. Dog's taking it close on the inside. There they come. Here comes Michael. Oh, Tyler again takes the turn wide. Oh, off they go. Woo! Oh, congratulatory handshake coming, folks. All right, shake hands, call it a day.
Good racing.
Nice job, gentlemen. Okay, everybody, Pisscutter on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Get ready, Cutter! Ah! Yeah! Oh my god, this is so fun! Yeah!